Welcome to the channel, cked. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now Queen Ifrica has called out Juliet Holness, wife of Prime Minister Andrew Holness, while standing beside Miss Sophia Log, mother of Donna Donaldson, whose body has still not yet been found. And while evidence mounts against the accused, he has refused to cooperate, and with forensics results being still analysed and court dates being pushed back, Queen Ifrica is calling out the government leadership. May I make on here what I go on, they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
You see me, I say, babes, I go, alright, man. I just one of them things there, you see me? It's wicked and terrible and ugly, and Andrew Holness and Juliet. You have youth in a Juliet. You see me, I say, step from back of Andrew, man, and come on the front line, come see mothers like them here, man. You see me, I say, and come feel where them a feel in our country where them love. You see me, I say, how no comfortable, so. Oh, it's so nice for Uno. For every day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be a girl that come up rape and dead and the whole of Uno good and alright. And some of Uno Jamaican woman too. We sit down up in a uptown in a echelons of society. And I look at you talk about it now, come up there. And one Jamaica, you know, we can walk come at any uptown community. We can walk go anywhere in Jamaica. Our ancestors them used to walk through the hills them from St. Thomas go Montego Bay. So we can walk go anywhere. We want to say, we want to walk come on the gate, come turn up and ball, and make us see how belly pain really feel. We want to see some woman uptown we have powers to come and use up the social media space and talk on behalf of mothers like them here. Yeah, and stop calling them poor people and not your business that. You see what I say? Look, this look like a somebody where grow a youth for she come dead for a man use. And you see on a dirty man in a Jamaica, we just want to see girl because them sexy and look good. I want to feel like so they just can have sex with them and do as you like with them. And the moment them probably just say them want them rights, want to feel like so they can kill them and just walk off with it. I just choose Jamaican woman asleep, you know. I remember say none of them are never no fool, you know. You see what I say? Some want every mother, you know, for just know saying our time for protect with pitney them, you know, and make them stop call with slut and whore and dirty woman, you know. You understand what I say? Because we the slut and the whore them we all on to push out, you know. You see what I say? I'm disappointed in a Jamaican man and how I see when I deal with woman like you never love woman, you know. I mean, I see no man stand up for Jamaican woman, you know. The whole of just have the youth them and sodomize them out and I turn them in a be a whore. And be a nastiness and I tell them say it's alright for them be prostitute, you know. And some of them want to come call all the youth them prostitute and all want to come judge all Donna them when they see them think they reach them like I talk about a money man they love and a true they love things make them think they happen to them.
No, truth be told, well, we can't expect the Prime Minister to come talk about all of the situations that we see take place. Because a whole heap of crime and violence that take place on the island. But this particular story is something that has been in the headlines. At this point, every Jamaican on social media has heard about Donna Donaldson, what has taken place, and what took place with Noel Maitland's murder trial. The people have said Donna Donaldson's family must receive justice. And now seeing the court date pushed back again, people are saying what is taking place with the justice system. And why is it that the administration seems to be preoccupied with everything aside from what the people are talking about and the issues of the people as they need to be addressed and handled? People are saying it's almost as if the concerns of the people are not the concerns of the administration. And while some people can say they know that long time, that is sad to say. Because elected officials are elected officials, meaning people put them in power. If you become an MP, you have to get a vote. You have to have a constituency. The people don't have to love you. The people don't have to feel like you do a good job, as we are saying. But you still have to be elected by the people. So if I say all of what take place right now, and the way it is being handled, we see why not only Queen Ifrica, but we see the taxi people, we see numerous government entities, government workers, members of even the party itself is also rumored to be fed up with what take place and disappointed in the leadership of the party. So much so that it was recommended that a local government election not be held. That wasn't a decision with us. Just one person decides, say, what you know? We can't do it. The finance minister never just get up and say, what you know? We do some calculations and local government election can't keep. It ain't the budget. No. That's something with them that sit and discuss. And then decide upon. Your position don't really have to say night. There's probably a set time based on constitution where you have to have a local government election by that time. Just like a general election. You know, there's a set time when you have to have a general election. But some normally it's within a year. So you have the entire year to do it. And it is rumored that based on what take place now, them just couldn't keep a local government election. Now there's also been rumored that Noel Maitland case of a pushback because of the information that he has on high-ranking members of the force. And the reason why he has maintained his innocence is because he knows he will be released. That's the rumor. That he knows that based on the fact that even though he was not given bail, his attorneys have guaranteed him that there is still a chance. And it is rumored that he was told by other individuals that he will be released. And some say almost true. Because when you see an individual and see the amount of evidence against them, when you see even additional charges being brought against them saying them prevent lawful burial of a corpse, that's a serious charge. When the case went from a missing person case to a murder case, and when them have somebody, they must say them, based on evidence, this individual is responsible. And they must say, no, you don't know. And them can't find the body. And the prosecutor say, well, based on the evidence that we have, and you not cooperating, we're going to add an additional charge of you preventing the family from receiving closure. At this point, the prosecutors are saying that the accused is the reason why the family can have no closure. Can refuse to tell them where the body is. Some rumor is that in the manner of which the body was disposed of, there is nobody to tell the people, law enforcement, where the body is. At one point, there was support saying that maybe Maitland did not do it. Somebody said maybe other people were involved and they may cover for other people. Now at this point, people that say, when them hear Miss Loke, and she talk about her daughter and the bond that they shared, the fact that them live together, that just made the connection even stronger. And when people say them hear she talk about how she miss her, them just want justice. Fear. There's something from another summer. There has been no night, no funeral, none of that. Because the only individual who law enforcement say them believe have the information what them need is not cooperating, even though he is behind bars and a former member of law enforcement itself. When individuals who have taken an oath to serve and protect against the criminal element and then become the criminal element themselves, it don't make it look good for the state. When members of the security forces are caught in criminal activity, it make the people not only look on the security forces, but them staff look on the state itself. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think that based on the evidence already in the possession of prosecutors, that they have enough for a conviction against the accused. So far, them say them have blood spatter found at the house. Them have surveillance footage. Them have testimony. So even though there is nobody, and where people are pointing out the fact that there is nobody, some people are saying, then how was Vybz Kartel convicted? When in his case, there was no forensic evidence. None. Then you mean to say a crime took place at a location and when forensics went there, there was no forensic evidence to suggest a crime had taken place. No forensic evidence to suggest a cleanup had taken place either. But Vybz Kartel and his co-accused were convicted. And them say them have forensics. Them have testimony. So talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think law enforcement already has enough for a conviction? Even though the deputy commissioner said prosecutors were still waiting on more forensic results. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, pass through, subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. So until we reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.